Sabi ni Sister Prestige Queens na aalis daw siya sa Islam kapag may nakitang mali dito. Tingnan natin ang video niya.
I will leave Islam right now, but in one condition. Put in the comments section down below one mistake that you can find in the Quran. And wallahi, I am going to leave Islam right now. You can't do it. It's been proven that there's no mistakes in the Quran. The Quran is the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, full of miracles. This book has never been changed, and no one ever on this earth, and they tried, can create a book like this.
Mali ang sinasabi ng Islam na si Maria, ina ni Jesus, ay kapatid ni Aaron. Sabi ng Quran, o kapatid ni Aaron, Sura Maryam 11:28. Ngunit sa Biblia, si Aaron ay panahon ni Moises, libu-libong taon bago ipinanganak si Maria. Sabi ng Exodo 6:20, at ipinanganak ni Jochebed kay Amram sina Aaron at Moises. Sabi naman ng Mateo 1:16, at ipinanganak ni Maria si Jesus, na tinatawag na Kristo. Ibang panahon, ibang tao. Ang Maria ng Biblia ay ina ni Jesus, hindi kapatid ni Aaron. Kailan ka aalis sa Islam, Sister Prestige Queens? Welcome ka kay Jesus Christ.